This video is about 8875 device level features do not disturb, hunt group login, logout, queue status, and redial. Device level features will be a round feature button in multi-line view, whereas the individual line level features will be hidden unless accessed by the More button in multi-line view. This is how to set Do Not Disturb in single line view. You will see a red bar at the top of the screen. This is how you set Do Not Disturb in multi-line view. The redial button will always use the previously used line to dial the last dialed number. The Hunt Group feature button is a toggle you can click on to toggle on and join the Hunt Group. You can also view the queue status for the Hunt Group the line is configured in.